Hi children, in this video we are going to discuss the problems from 29 onwards. So listen carefully here these problems. See that here in the given figure find angle Z. So where is that angle Z? So this angle we need to find out. Okay, so before going to find that angle Z we need to find that x value, y value. Okay, after we have to go for that Z. So let us see that how to simplify this. So children, here they given one of the condition. Here while you are taking that AD, here we have that one of the linear pair. Okay, but here x they given, unknown value they given, value not given, no. So we can't find that what are those two values. Okay, so that's why here come to this one. Here at B we can observe that again these two are adjacent angles. Here one of the angle they given, so we can find that another angle. So one of the angle is 110 degrees, no. So another angle is equals to 180 degrees minus 110 degrees. So which is equals to 70 degrees. Yes or no? So at B 110 degrees minus which means 180 degrees minus 110 degrees is equals to 70 degrees. Okay, so that is the angle at angle ABD which is equals to 70 degrees. So we have one of that value. Now the given condition AB is equals to AD. So here given that AB is equals to AD in a triangle ABC or ADC, in a triangle ADC. Okay, now here AB is equals to AD. So these two are equal sides means that is isosceles triangle only, no. So isosceles triangle, that's why here base angles are equal. So that's why here this is also equals to some same value only. Here 70 degrees we got, that's why here also 70 degrees only, no. Why? Because those two are base angles. Okay, here we can write that angle ABD is equals to angle ADB. Why? Because isosceles triangle base angles are equal. Isosceles triangle condition we have to apply here. Okay, now here that's why angle ADB also equals to angle ADB is equals to 70 degrees. We got that another value also. Now what we have to find out? Z is there in that another triangle, that is triangle ADC, no. So that's why here I am going to write that. See here in triangle ADC, okay, at that point D, first find that at that point D, here 70 degrees and here x degrees there. So here we can write that at D x plus 70 is equals to 180 degrees. What is the reason? Means a linear pair. So here x is equals to 180 degrees minus 70 degrees. So which is equals to 110 degrees. Okay. So here x is equals to 110 degrees. Okay. And here we know the condition. We know that what is the condition in triangle ADC? Angle A plus angle D plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees, no. Okay, now here angle A is equals to Z plus angle D is equals to here x only, no. So that's why here that is equals to 110 degrees plus angle C is equals to 25 degrees which is equals to 180 degrees. Now simplify that. Z plus 110 plus 25 which is equals to 135 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. So from this one Z is equals to 180 degrees minus 135 degrees. So 180 minus 35 which is equals to 45 degrees. Okay, 45 degrees. So Z is equals to what is that value? So Z is equals to 45 degrees. So that's what they are asking, no, angle Z. So angle Z is equals to 45 degrees. So which option is correct? Yes, option C is correct here. Okay. So children, like this way we have to find that. First we need to find that at B we have two angles. One angle already given. So we need to find that second angle. Okay. By using this angle and here they given one condition. So by using that condition here we can find that another angle at D. At D also we have that two angles. So after we find that here one angle 70 degrees, we need to find that another angle. Okay, now we have to take that the triangle ADC. So in triangle ADC, apply that condition, sum of all the interior angles is equals to 180 degrees, no? So here 45 degrees plus 110 plus, sorry, here Z plus 110 degrees plus 25. Okay, now here from that condition we will get that Z is equals to 45 degrees. Is it clear, children? So let us see that next one. So see here, the top of a broken tree. So already I told you in the previous video, here onwards we will get that only two problems there related to word problems. So read that problem carefully, then you will get the diagram first. Okay, first draw the diagram. The top of a tree. Top of a tree means here this is a tree. Okay, for example this is a tree. Top of the tree broken and it was felt on that ground. It was felt on that ground. Okay, so one tree is there and this is the ground. This is that ground. On that ground, this is the tree, no? Okay, this tree was cut at the top of the tree. Top of the tree, somewhere it was cut and it was felled and it drops on that ground. So like this diagram you will get. Now here what they are saying, it touches the ground. So here spelling mistake they given, that is the ground. Okay, at a distance of 15 meters, at a distance of, which means the bottom of that tree, and here this is the top of the tree, no? So the distance between these two is 15 meters. The distance between those 2 points is 15 meters. Okay, if the tree is broken at a height of 8 meters from the ground, which means from that bottom to here up to where it was broken. Okay, so this complete part, this height is equals to 8 meters they are saying from the ground. Okay, now here then the actual height of the tree. Actual height of the tree means actually these two measurements they given. This is that broken part and this is still this is there on that ground. Okay, so this one height they given as 8 meters and here the distance between the bottom part and that top part, those two distance is 15 meters. Now we need to find that broken tree, this part, this one we need to find out. Okay, so here we can observe that one of the triangle. What is the triangle? Children, if you know that which type of triangle this is, here we can observe. Just comment in that comment section. Okay, which type of triangle we can observe here? Yes, this is from that ground one tree is there means that is take it as 90 degrees. Okay, so here we can observe that this is right angle triangle. That is a right angle triangle. Okay, so in a right angle triangle, let it be some A, B, C. So here in triangle ABC, we know that Pythagoras theorem, no? So what is that Pythagoras theorem here? AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Hypotenuse square is equals to sum of the squares of its sides, no? So by using that Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so here AC square is equals to, we need to find out this. So AC square is equals to AB square means 8 square plus BC square means 15 square. So here AC square is equals to 64 plus 15 square is 225. So AC square is equals to 225 plus 64 is equals to 5 plus 4 9, 2 plus 6 8. So 289. Okay, so from this one AC value we need to find out. So AC is equals to plus or minus 289, which is equals to AC is equals to plus or minus 17 meters. But height always you have to take it as a positive only, no? So that's why here AC is equals to 17 meters. Always height is a positive. Sides always represent with a positive numbers only, no? Okay, so that's why here we got that 17 meters. Now what they are asking? What is the total height? Total height means this is the broken part. Okay, and this is the part still there on that ground. Okay, so complete what is that? total height of the tree before it was broken. Okay, so that's why here we need to find that AB plus AC value we need to find out. So AB is equals to 8 meters plus AC is equals to 17 meters. So 17 plus 8 is equals to 25 meters. Okay, so the actual height of the tree, therefore actual height of the tree is 25 meters. Okay, they are not asking that what is the height of that broken part, they are not asking. Here they are asking that what is that complete height, which means actual height of the tree before it was broken. Okay, so that's what they are asking, that is equals to 25 meters. So which option is correct? Option B is correct. And children, when you observe that given options, here they given 17 meters also. 17 meters is the height of that broken part, but here they are asking that what is the total height. Okay, actual height of the tree. Okay, that's what I am saying, this one very carefully, so listen it. Okay, so here answer is 25 meters. Okay children, let us see that next one. Yes, see here, this is also very important problem. See here, two chimneys are there. Chimneys means light stands. In our earlier days they used that light stands, no, light lamps. Okay, that one is known as a chimney. Okay, so they said that first you have to draw the diagram. So two chimneys are there. So here I am drawing the two chimneys. So first one 18 meters height is there. Another one 13 meters height is there. So 13 meters height means, shall we draw like this? This is 13 meters. Shall we draw like that? Now height stand upright on a ground. Okay, if their feet is 12 meters apart, if their feet is 12 meters apart means the distance between these two chimneys is 12 meters. So these three measurements they given. Okay, distance between their tops means here to here, this distance we need to find out. So here x we need to find out. Okay, so children, this one we can draw like this also, no? Take the dotted line here. Okay, why? Because here this is 13 meters, so we can write that completely this is 18 meters now. Sorry, completely that is 18 meters, but here this is 13 meters means exactly opposite. Here we can observe that one of the rectangle, in a rectangle opposite sides are equal, no? So here this is 13 meters, so this is 13 meters height here to here. Okay, but actual height is 18 meters, so this is 18 minus 13 is equals to 5 meters height. Okay, so this part is equals to 5 meters. Is it clear children? Now we can observe that here this is 12 meters means this is also 12 meters only, no? Why? Because again in a rectangle opposite sides are of equal length, so 12 meters, 12 meters. So children, here we can observe that, we can observe here this is A and this is B and this is C. So we can observe here one of the triangle, that is ABC triangle we can observe here. Okay, and when you observe this one, here we have that 90 degrees angle. By observing that diagram we can say that that is the right angle triangle. So here this is a 5 meters, this is a 5 meters and this is a 12 meters. Two lengths they given, so we need to find that hypotenuse. We need to find that hypotenuse. So in triangle ABC, if you want to give that names means here also you can give and you can write that problem also. Okay, so here in triangle ABC, here they given that AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. So AC is that hypotenuse, no? That's why. So this is that Pythagoras theorem, according to that Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now here AB square, so AB means that is 5 meters, so 5 meters whole square plus BC which is equals to 12 meters, so 12 meters whole square is equals to AC square. So 5 meters whole square means 25 meters square plus 12 meters, 12 12 144 meters square which is equals to AC square. We need to find that only AC, no? So AC square is equals to 144 plus 25, 169 meter square. So here AC is equals to square root of 169 meter square. So that is equals to 13 meters whole square. So square and root gets cancelled, which is equals to 13 meters. So what is that height? AC is equals to 13 meters. So what is that height here? That is AC is equals to 13 meters. So X is equals to 13 meters. What they asked here? What is the distance between their tops? So the distance between A and C. Okay, A and C distance we need to find out. So that is equals to 13 meters. So which option is correct? Yes, option C is correct here. Is it clear, children? Okay, so let us see that next one. So here this is the proof. First say that in a triangle ABC, angle A is equals to 90 degrees and D is the midpoint of AC. The value of BC square minus BD square is equal to. Okay, so first draw the diagram. That is, in a triangle ABC, angle A is equals to 90 degrees they are saying. So this is B and this is C. Next, D is the midpoint of AC. Midpoint of AC. So here join that BC. Join that B and D. D is the midpoint of A and C. Okay, so this is the diagram. Okay, so D is that midpoint, no? So join that B and D. Join that B and D here. Now what they are asking? Here they are saying that BC square minus BD square we need to find out. BDC square minus BD square we have to find out. Okay, so here how we can write it? So first condition, in triangle ABC. First take that in triangle ABC. Here we can, by using that Pythagoras theorem, we can write that AB square plus AC square is equals to BC square. AB square plus AC square is equals to BC square. So this is that condition number 1. Okay. Second condition, that is in triangle BAD. So better to take the triangle BAD. Why? Because here 90 degrees there, no? So that's why here in triangle BAD, okay, here what we have to write? Here again AB square plus AD square is equals to BD square. This is equation number 2. Okay. Now here subtract 1 and 2. So 1 minus 2. We have to do that 1 minus 2. So here AB square plus AC square is equals to BC square. And another one, AB square plus AD square is equals to BD square. Subtract these two here, minus, minus and minus. So here AB square minus AB square gets cancelled, and here AC square minus AD square, which is equals to BC square minus BD square. Actually this one we need to find out, now BC square minus BD square. That's what they asked here. So this value we need to find out. So we can write this one as BC square minus BD square is equals to, here AC square minus AD square. AC square minus AD square. So children, once observe that here all the options given in the terms AD, but here we have that AC also. So AC first convert that one into AD. Okay, so we can write this one as AC. AC we can write it as AD and here plus DC. AD plus DC, which AD plus DC, which is equals to AC. Shall we write like that? No. So that's why here whole square minus AD square. Okay, and we know that here AD is equals to CD. Here AD is equals to CD. Why? Because here D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint. midpoint of AC. Okay, that is given in that question only, no? Why? Because here see that D is the midpoint of AC. Midpoint means that midpoint divides that line segment into two equal parts. So that's why here AD is equals to CD. So CD or DC. So we can write this one as AD plus AD whole square minus AD square. Okay, so here AD plus AD is equals to 2AD, no? So 2AD whole square minus AD square. So 2AD whole square means 2 2's 4AD, no? So which is equals to here? Here I am going to write, see that. So 2AD whole square is equals to 4AD square minus AD square. So 4AD square minus 1AD square. So 4 minus 1 is equals to 3AD square. So what is that correct option here? Answer is 3AD square. So which option is correct? That is 3AD square. So here which condition we used that? By using that Pythagoras theorem. This is the Pythagoras theorem condition, no? So while you are taking this triangle, then also here this is a right angle triangle, and if you take that complete triangle, then that is also right angle triangle only, no? Why? Because here A is equals to 90 degrees, the given condition. Okay, so that's why here what is that answer? Answer is 3AD square. Okay children, did you understand that? Okay, so up to here worksheet 1 problems completed. So next we will meet with worksheet 2 problems. Okay.